Okay, this heel needs a little bit of a glow up. This is exactly why sanding discs are an absolute must-have in your kit. Look at this heel. Dry, rough, and a little bit of built-up hard skin. Now, watch this difference. With our sanding disc and holder, removal is fast, controlled, and super effective. All you need to do is just peel, stick, and work at a recommended speed of 10 to 15,000 RPM for safe, hard skin removal. For tougher areas, defo go in with a coarser grit, then refine for that smooth finish. And the best part is, these are obviously single use, but you actually get 100 in a box. So such good value for money. But just look at that result. Smooth, clean, and client ready. If you're struggling with heels like this, you need to make the switch.